Welcome everyone. Let's start today's session by walking through the first 5 GST problems from the ICSE Class 10 textbook. We will solve each question step by step in a very simple way. Before starting, let us understand two important GST rules. If the transaction is within the same state, it is called an intra-state transaction. In an intra-state transaction, GST is divided into two parts, CGST and SGST. For example, if GST is 18%, then CGST is 9% and SGST is 9%. If the transaction is from one state to another state, then it is called an interstate transaction. In an interstate transaction, we use IGST. Now remember the basic formula: selling price is equal to MRP minus discount and amount of bill is equal to selling price plus GST. Now let us start with question 1. The transaction is within Delhi. MRP is Rs 12,000, discount is 30%, GST is 18%. Since the transaction is within Delhi, it is an interstate transaction. So GST will be divided into CGST and SGST. That means CGST is 9% and SGST is 9%. First we calculate the discount. So discount is 30% of 12,000. So discount is 30 divided by 100 multiplied by 12,000. This gives Rs 3,600. Now we calculate the selling price. Selling price is MRP minus discount. So selling price is 12,000 minus 3,600. This gives Rs 8,400. Now we calculate CGST. CGST is 9% of 8,400. This gives Rs 756. Similarly, SGST is also 9% of 8,400. So SGST is also Rs 756. Since this is an intra-state transaction, IGST is 0. Now calculate the amount of bill. The amount of bill is equal to the selling price plus CGST plus SGST. So amount of bill is 8,400 plus 756 plus 756. This gives 9,912. Therefore, the amount of bill for question 1 is Rs 9,912. Now let us move to question 2. The transaction is from Delhi to Jaipur. MRP is Rs 50,000, discount is 20%, GST is 28%. Since Delhi and Jaipur are in different states, this is an interstate transaction. So we will use IGST. CGST is 0, SGST is also 0 and IGST is 28%. First calculate the discount. Discount is 20% of 50,000. This gives us Rs 10,000. Now calculating the selling price. Selling price is MRP minus discount. So selling price is 50,000 minus 10,000. This gives us Rs 40,000. Now calculate IGST. IGST is 28% of 40,000. This gives us Rs 11,200. Now calculate the amount of bill. The amount of bill is equal to selling price plus IGST. So amount of bill is 40,000 plus 11,200. This gives Rs 51,200. Therefore, the amount of bill for question 2 is Rs 51,200. Now let us move to question 3. A computer mechanic in Delhi repairs computers for 5 persons A, B, C, D and E. The GST rate is 18%. Since it is an interstate transaction, GST is divided into CGST and SGST. So CGST is 9% and SGST is 9%. Now we'll calculate discount, selling price, CGST and SGST for each person. For person A, repairing cost is Rs 5,500 and discount is 30%. Discount is Rs 1,650. Selling price is 5,500 minus 1,650, which is Rs 3,850. CGST is 9% of 3,850, which is Rs 346.5. SGST is also Rs 346.5. Now coming for person B. Repairing cost is Rs 6,250 and discount is 40%. Discount is Rs 2,500. Selling price is 6,250 minus 2,500, which is Rs 3,750. CGST is Rs 337.5. SGST is also Rs 337.5. Now coming for person C. Repairing cost is rupees 4,800 and discount is 30%. Discount is rupees 1,440. Selling price is 4,800 minus 1,440, which is rupees 3,360. CGST is rupees 302.4. SGST is also rupees 302.4. For person D, repairing cost is rupees 7,200 and discount is 20%. Discount is rupees 1,440. Selling price is 7,200 minus 1,440, which is rupees 5,760. CGST is rupees 518.4. SGST is also rupees 518.4. Now coming for person E. Repairing cost is rupees 3,500 and discount is 40%. Discount is rupees 1,400. Selling price is 3,500 minus 1,400, which is rupees 2,100. CGST is rupees 189. SGST is also rupees 189. Now adding all the selling prices, total selling prices is 3,850 plus 3,750 plus 3,360 plus 5,760 plus 2,100. This gives 8 rupees 18,820. Total CGST is rupees 1,693.8. Total SGST is also rupees 1,693.8. Therefore, total money received by the mechanic is 18,820 plus 1,693.8 plus 1,693.8. This gives rupees 22,207.6. So the final answer for question 3 is rupees 22,207.6. Now let us move to question 4. This is an intra-state transaction and the GST rate is 5%. So CGST is 2.5% and SGST is 2.5%. Now we calculate each row. So for the first row, quantity is 18, MRP is rupees 150 and discount is 10%. Total MRP is 18 multiplied by 150, which is rupees 2,700. Discount is rupees 270. Selling price is 2,430. CGST is rupees 60.65. SGST is also rupees 60.65. Now coming for second row. Quantity is 24. MRP is rupees 240 and discount is 20%. Total MRP is rupees 5,760. Discount is rupees 1,152. Selling price is rupees 4,608. CGST is rupees 115.2. SGST is also rupees 115.2. For the third row, quantity is 30. MRP is rupees 100 and discount is 30%. Total MRP is rupees 3,000. Discount is rupees 900. Selling price is rupees 2,100. CGST is rupees 52.5. SGST is also rupees 52.5. Now coming for the fourth row, quantity is 12, MRP is rupees 120 and discount is 20%. Total MRP is rupees 1,440. Discount is rupees 288. Selling price is rupees 1,152. CGST is rupees 28.8. SGST is also rupees 28.8. Now add all the selling prices. So this gives us rupees 10,290. Total CGST is rupees 257.25. So similarly, SGST is also rupees 257.25. Therefore, amount of bill is 10,290 plus 257.25 plus 257.25. This gives rupees 10,804.5. So the final answer for question 4 is rupees 10,804.5. Now let us move to question 5. The GST rate is 18%, so CGST is 9% and SGST is 9%. Now we calculate each row. For first row, the quantity is 35, MRP is rupees 420 and discount is 10%. Total MRP is rupees 14,700. Discount is rupees 1,470. Selling price is rupees 13,230. CGST is rupees 1,190.7. SGST is also rupees 1,190.7. Second row. Quantity is 47, MRP is rupees 600 and discount is 10%. Total MRP is rupees 28,200. Discount is rupees 2,820. Selling price is rupees 25,380. CGST is rupees 2,284.2. SGST is also rupees 2,284.2. Now coming for the third row. Quantity is 20. MRP is rupees 350 and discount is 20%. Total MRP is rupees 7,000. Discount is rupees 1,400. Selling price is rupees 5,600. CGST is rupees 504. SGST is also rupees 504. Now add all the selling prices. So total selling price is for 44,210. Total CGST is rupees 3,978.9. Total SGST is also rupees 3,978.9. Therefore, amount of bill is 44,210 plus 3,978.9 plus 3,978.9. This gives rupees 52,167.8. So the final answer for the question 5 is rupees 52,167.8. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more math problems. Thank you.